Buongiorno paesani! Allora, un'altra parola catalogese. Are you ready for another Sicilian word? Well, today's word is cufu. What does that mean? It means who did it, who was it. In Italian, we say chi è stato. So when something happens, or most of the time it's when kids get hurt, you say, oh, cufu per me, cufu, cufu. Or something happens, you say, cufu che feci questo. Who did it? Who was it? And in Italian, we say, chi è stato? So that's your lesson for today. Please subscribe to Italiani di Montreal e Amici on YouTube. We are 343 subscribers. Grazie mille a tutti per iscrivervi. Se non l'avete già fatto, iscrivetevi. Italiani di Montreal e Amici è gratuito su YouTube per vedere più video. E non dimenticate di acquistare i vostri biglietti per la nostra grande gala che beneficia l'ospedale Cedars per il cancro e anche un altro centro che si chiama Lighthouse per i bambini che sono in cura palliativa. So, in English, please, if you haven't already gotten your tickets, please buy your tickets for our gala, our big gala, October 25th. For the Cedars Hospital Cancer Foundation, as well as the Lighthouse Foundation for palliative care children. These are very important foundations. It's all for the children because we all know children are our future. So let's help them have a bit of a happy life, although they're going through hard times. So that's it. I wish you all a beautiful day and a happy day, because if you're happy, then things go along more smoothly. Allora, una bellissima giornata a tutti e ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo!